safety measures. Safety will be built in separate individual packages, but just for survey, what safety measures we will take that will. And sequentially all the survey activities individually will be discussed and RFI is required and finally documentation. Objective and means we as our team leader monitors 3 packages. That's why uniformity is better. That's why I am taking uniformity in all the packages, better controlling supervision, clear the probable confusion and positive and productive interaction. If somebody has something to share, please stop me by raising hands or anything else so that we can. Actually, source of errors is instrumental, personal and natural. In instrumental, we have to bad type of car, not calibrated long way like that. And in personal, bad eyesight, carelessness of the observer. And in natural, temperature, headed kinds of errors. Actually, this we have taken 3 types. Mistakes is due to inattention, inexperience, and like that. And systematic error always follow the. It is always of same size and sign at same condition. That's why we can determine the error after eliminating the mistakes and systematic errors. The errors left is not accepted as error. It is beyond the ability of servers to control. It can be dealt with the experience only. It is law of probability may be followed. There is a law of chance to detect it. Then permissible errors. Actually, in labeling, precise labeling, accurate labeling, and ordinary labeling. We generally 3 types: 4 root K, 8 root K. We take that both in precise labeling. I am a surveyor of practice unit, Mr. Manikrishnan. If you have got some, you can interact this. But you have already taken 600 GL, finalizing CPM. Suppose it is not coming within 12 root K, but its third alternative have already been done. I am new to the project but old to the system. That's why if just while individually I have discussed regarding checking, I have just mentioned that we should repeat with surveying. That's all. But anyway, we will take it up to RE and PL to decide it's not coming. And traversing, we take in 1 minute 10,000. In 10 kilometers, Mr. Traverse, next. Safety measures, just I have 1 meter. Yes. Yes, sir. It is in package 7 what we are checking some of the persons, it is towards 5,000. Not a single space is coming within the alternative that I have written repeat space with survey engineer and process association. And only the system.
One question. As you told, 1 root K will not come, then RA or HA will be slightly different. What RA and HA will be considered regarding 12 root K? What should be the
no, we will call labeling individually, but I have meant that if it is not coming, the error is not coming within 12 root K, then I have mentioned repeat the steps with survey engineer 100% association. But again, if it is not coming, suppose it is not coming for 5 meters and both ends are coming correctly. So, to give the best advice.
that advice if it will be the what is it? What type of disease
we have got means most accurately. I think we have got limit to seal and to ring. That's why whatever they have presented, if it is in some states we are not getting it, means we have to follow the rest.
but we can't adjust it to the side. We can refer to some reviewer who are result in time.
Yes, for
If I register something,
uh,
if I register something, it may vary some other changes. It may
yes,
not
it
match
will.
the center line exactly.
It will happen. I am talking about if 12 rupee instead of 12 rupee, it goes on 16 rupee or 20 rupee. If it is beyond ordinary living 20 rupee, then we have to repeat the whole stage and final having will be finalized with engineer service.
Only repetition is the remaining, nothing else.
Red flag, helmet, safety jacket with reflective vest, and signboard with transparent. Yes.
Generally, you conduct this one for
Then the non yes, sir.
not only service, the total signboard. This is
Sir, one single signboard.
That is the output because can't stop the flexing of the sideboard and activate.
So please again repeat what you have said.
Sir, that is phone, both the phone and a continuous chain covering.
The man is working at central garage way.
He will helmet with safety jackets with
He must
reflective
be
glass.
bought from the officer.
Yes. And red flag, helmet, safety jackets with reflective glass. Signboard first we need to confirm because at the later stage while we show something, refer something to PCC, it's not correct. So fixing of control pillars, then central line marking, OGL, NGL joint recording, GL after clearing dubbing, topography cellular structures, monthly TVM checking. That is as per the most clause. Post class 201.1. It says, then how can we define if we will first not take the label and then first you are saying that we will take after clearing dropping we should once we should take the project. That's what. But if there is some discrepancy, we can say that that is one picking down.
It might be sometimes, no, it is given up to 150 mm. It
Yes.
might be 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4
But
mm.
that we can detect if the first natural ground levels are with us.
One more point. That engineer, after clearing.
Mr. Ramesh, what he says I agree, but the level where we are looking for is not for the payment.
That is also.
First, the OGL is taking to confirm the PCC or confirmation of PCC data. And the confirmation of whether you have done.
After OGL, it is the paper.
Because you are starting from after clearing credit, you are starting here.
Yes.
So you are paying.
Yes, yes. In the previous, there is one estimate on that.
One more question.
Hello.
The provision of MOP of 150 mm is subject to the soil being found unsuitable. It is not a general provision, and this point is still under discussion. Whether, suppose if it is not
It
unsuitable,
is funny, you will get a result of plus 150. So it is a practical difficulties. We have to sort it out, justify according to the set conditions. But it is more because they have been different than other countries to others. So the specification is common, and every contract specification has been aligned with the other classes to see the exact condition of the ground and the nature of the road, nature of the soil, nature of the weather, everything is considered. So the specification is for all over India, and we have to choose what is practically required, and we should consider it in the guidelines to get the maximum quality of all the soil.
TVM to TVM. I have enlisted maybe currently verifying all the TVMs to plan over as it is known that good planning saves time, reduces the possibility of errors and provides economy. That's why always using proper format and field people will not be better properly, connecting all TVMs and the components may be submitted to RE and GL for information and record. Here I have written in case of closing error more than 12 rupee, pre-work may be repeated in the class. Error adjustments may be submitted to RE jointly for registration. This is most common things all the experienced people know. Still has got some while we are